Now, if you do decide to do a home loan modification, there are some simple questions you need to ask yourself when you're reviewing the documents that the bank has provided. First of all, what is the new principal amount? Because if you started this process and you owed 300,000 on your home and the home went into foreclosure and then they modified, your principal is not going to be 300,000. They're going to tack on their foreclosure fees, they're going to tack on their lawyer fees, they're going to tack on fee after fee after fee until you're probably going to have a loan balance that could be 310 or 320 or even more. So you have to start by asking, what is the new principal amount? You also have to ask, what is the interest rate on the loan? What interest rate are you paying? And then you have to ask, when does that interest rate change? Is it fixed for the entire life of the loan? Is it fixed for a certain number of years and then it jumps up? You have to ask these questions. Sometimes people are so happy just that they got their home loan modified that they don't bother to take the next step and say, hey, what happens a few years down the road? You can't just wait for that time period to come and then decide. Another question you need to ask is whether there's a balloon payment at the end of it. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. I mean, if your mortgage was $2,500 and all of a sudden it's $1,200, the bank wasn't just being generous and cut $1,300 off your loan if they were willing to do that at all. What's probably going to happen is at the end of a fixed period of time, they're going to want the entire principal loan balance to be paid back. So you have to ask the right questions.